student, good morning. Today we have discussed about the lesson 3, bones and muscles. And in this video we have discussed about the skeleton, parts of skeleton and functions of skeleton. But before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First see the homework. Okay student, as you know that on previous online class I have given homework learn choose the correct answer of lesson 2. I hope you have learned this choose the correct answer of lesson 2 in proper way, and I request you whatever you got as a homework, okay, you have learned in proper way, and also revise all exercise of lesson 1 2 3, means lesson 1 2 and 3 in proper way. Okay, and MCQ exercises also, all exercise. Okay, and whatever I taught in the online class, you also revise in proper way. Then in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance. Okay, see here, lesson 3, bones and muscles. First topic is skeleton. What is a skeleton? The framework of bones that gives shape and support to the body is called the skeleton. In our body, in adult body, human body, 206 bones found. How many bones? 206 bones. Bones are made up of living cells and minerals. Living cells and minerals. And minerals, calcium, phosphorus, etc. And in long bone, you know that in long bone, they have in long bone the jelly-like substance are found. Suppose this is a long bone, and in long bone jelly-like substance found. This jelly-like substance is called bone marrow. Bone marrow produces the RBC, red blood cells. Bone marrow is a jelly-like substance that produces the RBC, red blood cells. Skeleton protect the delicate organs. Example, suppose brain. And you know that the brain is protected by the skull. Brain protected by the skull. Spinal cord, and you know that the spinal cord protected by the backbone. Then heart and lungs protected by the rib cage. So skeleton protect the delicate organs, brain, like example, brain, spinal cord, heart and lungs. Now see the parts of skeleton. Now next topic, parts of skeleton. Parts of skeleton. First, skull. Second, rib cage. Third, backbone. Fourth, limbs. First skull, then rib cage, then backbone, then limbs. So we discuss about the one by one here. First, skull. You know that skull protect the brain. Skull protect the brain, and skull is the hardest part of the body. And in skull, bones are jointed in a fixed method, in fixed way, means they do not move. Okay, and such type of joints is called fixed joints, and only lower jaw can move, and they help in the chewing food items or talking, help in talking. But upper jaw teeth are fixed and other part are fixed. So skull protect the brain. Now next topic, rib cage. Rib cage protect the heart and lungs. Rib cage protect the heart and lungs. In rib cage, 12 pairs ribs found. How many pairs? 12 pairs. Okay, and in parent side they attach to the backbone, in front backbone, and in front side they attach to the breastbone. And lower two pairs are not attached to the breastbone. They are called floating ribs. Okay, floating ribs. So rib cage protect the heart and lungs, and 12 pairs of ribs are found, and ribs are attached to the backbone, and also in front side attached to the breastbone, and this breastbone is called sternum. And last two pairs of ribs are floating. Is backbone. You know that backbone protect the spinal cord, and you know that the spinal cord control the reflex action, and this reflex action is not controlled by the brain, controlled by the spinal cord. Okay, backbone protect the spinal cord. In backbone, small 33 bones found. They are hollow and small bones. This is called vertebrae, and they from starting to neck to the hip. Okay, neck to the hip, and they made up of small 33 bones. Okay, now next limbs. In human body, two types of limbs found: forelimbs and hind limb. Forelimbs means hand, and here leg. Forelimbs hand, and here many bones are joined together forms limbs, and forelimbs used for the catching, holding things, but hind limbs, as you know that legs also used for the walking, running, playing, etc. And in hind limbs, longest bone found. This longest bone is called femur, thigh bone. Femur is the longest bone of the human body. Now next topic, functions of skeleton. First function, they give shape and support to the body. Shape and support to the body. Without skeleton, our organ system cannot stand and cannot protect. Okay. Second, they protect the delicate organs. Means you know that skull protect the brain, rib cage protect the heart and lungs. Backbone protect the spinal cord. Okay, they protect the delicate organs. And in longest bone jelly-like substance found. This jelly-like substance is called bone marrow, and bone marrow produce the RBC, red blood cells, produce the blood cells. Okay, bones joined with muscles, and both work related to body movement. Without muscles, bones cannot move. Okay, we can walk, we can run, we can speak with the help of bones and muscles. Now see this is the diagram of human skeleton. As you know that in this diagram all parts of skeleton are given. First I start to top to bottom. First top, you know that skull, this is skull, protect the brain. After skull, then below is a cage like structure, this is a rib cage, and you know that rib cage protects the heart and lungs. Then in middle side bones are appear that arise from neck and here covered in the below side. This is the backbone, and you know that backbone protect the spinal cord. Then here below side hind limb and arms, forelimbs. Okay, and this is the human skeleton. See this diagram carefully. Now next diagram of bone marrow. This is the structure of bone marrow. See carefully. Okay, red bone marrow, articular cartilage, bone marrow cavity, yellow bone marrow, and below side yellow bone marrow and bone marrow cavity. And you know that bone marrow is a jelly-like substance that means bone marrow prepare red blood cells, and you know that red blood cells is very important for our body. They carry oxygen, food from one part to other parts, means digestive system to other part. Okay, now all student you have take a copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 3 bones and muscles, date 7th August 2020. Homework is learn, choose the correct answer of lesson 3. Okay, you have learned, choose the correct answer of lesson 2. Choose the correct answer choose the correct answer of means MCQ, multiple choice questions. You have learned proper way, and I request you you have complete the work from lesson 1 to 3, means lesson 1, lesson 2 and lesson 3 you have complete in okay, whatever your work complete incomplete, and you know that I again send the PDF file of all exercises and question answer. So with the help of this PDF file you can write and you have complete this homework classwork in proper way, and you have also learned all the exercise of lesson 1, 2
and 3 in proper way, and I request you in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance. Thank you.